experiencing severe cough and cold this past 2-3 months, and it is becoming kind of untreatable. So what do? Of course, you must have tried lot of options for it: allopathy, homeopathy, and even Ayurveda. So now I'm going to teach you today a breath, a breathing pattern, एक ऐसी श्वास प्रक्रिया जिसे कहते हैं उज्जयी. सो ये शरीर में बहुत हीट पैदा करता है. इसके पीछे मैं आपको एक कहानी भी बताती हूँ, छोटा सा एनेक्डोट. देयर वाज अ ग्रुप ऑफ मंक्स. तो वो कुछ साधु जो थे, दे वेंट अप टूवर्ड्स हिमालयाज. नाउ एज यू ऑल नो, हिमालय में तो बहुत ठंडी होती है. इट वाज एक्सट्रीमली कोल्ड. सो वन ऑफ द मंक्स, द यंगेस्ट वन, he said, what if I freeze once we go further up? So the other, the wiser one, he said, don't worry, there is a solution. So he says, but supposing, the solution doesn't work, what will happen to me then? And this is how our mind functions. हमेशा हम डाउट करते रहते हैं कि अच्छा, कोई बताए तो भी ये नहीं होगा, तो मुझे क्या हो जाएगा, मेरा क्या होगा. So that way, even he was still not coming out of those desires, those doubts. And so he kept on questioning the monk, but what if it doesn't happen? What if it doesn't help? So the monk said, the wise one, he said, it's very simple. If it doesn't work, we freeze. But I will not let you freeze. I'm giving you a guarantee. Whether you're going out in the Himalayas, yes, or whether you have, like I said earlier, simple cough, cold, or a persisting cough which doesn't let you rest at all. रात को सोते वक्त भी खौ 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 चालू रहता है. तो उसके लिए ये एक प्राणायाम आपको बहुत मदद करेगा, जिसे कहते हैं उज्जयी प्राणायाम. तो शुरू करते हैं. You're going to do Ujjayi now. That means breath with a hiss. So there is going to be a hissing sound. For that, you need to constrict your throat muscles over here while inhaling as well as exhaling. It's not as difficult as it may seem, and we need to begin somewhere. So let's start. शुरू करते हैं Ujjayi breath. ऐसे गले के यहाँ पे जो मांसपेशियां हैं, इनको थोड़ा सा सिकुड़ना है और सांस अंदर और बाहर लेते जाना है. This was for demonstration, for you to understand that you have to make this kind of a sound to begin with. Ultimately, it has to be at a controlled level and much subtler. Let's see how. So this is Ujjayi breathing.